Welcome to another MacGyver upgrade hack. We love the M1 because it is so powerful and small, and it has so much room inside. So here's the problem. Traditional UPS are huge and waste a lot of energy converting from 120 volts AC to 12 volt DC, then from 12 volts DC back up to 120 volts AC. Then the Mac Mini changes it back from 120 volts AC back down to 12 volts DC. Talk about a roller coaster. Kinda crazy. This is super inefficient, and you can only run for a few minutes. So I wondered, what can we use this extra space for? So I had this crazy idea. Before we begin, please consider subscribing, sharing, and liking our videos. This tells us we are doing something right. So today we'll show you how to install an internal battery. Keep in mind we take no responsibility for any damages. This is for your entertainment only. We found this 12-volt battery from Amazon that seems to be the perfect fit. Let's get started. After taking off the covers, we will remove the power cable. Carefully pry off the cable protector. It's kinda amazing that Apple will put such care into protecting some wires. Ouch! Don't do this. Now for our sponsor. Wait, that's us. Just for sticking with us for this long, we are offering a 50% discount on our 87-watt USB-C car adapters using coupon code. Separate the positive and negative wires. For more details, check out our prior videos. For this step, we'll solder on the 5.5 by 2.5 mm jack on the positive and negative wires. Let's see if we can fit everything inside. I think this will work. We are using a DC regulator. Again, link below. Now to test. Hold your breath. Next, test the battery. We will only need to plug in the male plug from the battery. We will not be plugging in the female jack from the battery. Yeah, I think that should do it. Okay, let's squeeze everything in and reassemble everything. If you liked our video, please smash those icons. Let's flip on the battery before we button everything up. Okay, that's it. We hope you found this video helpful. Do you have an idea you would like us to try? How about putting a bigger internal SSD? Or maybe even more ports built into the Mac Mini? Or maybe a hidden camera? Bring back the glowing Apple logo. Leave your suggestions below. Thank you for watching.